Here's a wild stat. The average U.S. home price has increased over 100% in the last decade. And in some neighborhoods, it's even more. No wonder buyers are asking, is this house really worth it? Or am I being robbed without a ski mask involved? Hi, I'm Erica McClain, and today we're digging into a hot button issue. Are home prices actually high, or are they just higher than we're used to? Buyers are feeling the pressure, and it's time to unpack what's really going on with home values. Okay, let's be honest. Buying a home right now can feel like playing Monopoly, except everyone else got a head start and you're stuck with Baltic Avenue. Between bidding wars, tight inventory, and rising mortgage rates, affordability is a real challenge. First time buyers, especially, are struggling to figure out whether a home is fairly priced or just overpriced. Even savvy buyers are scratching their heads. This place needs a new roof and it's still 450,000. It's overwhelming, but here's the thing. Price tags don't always tell the full story. Let's look at what's really driving home prices. Supply and demand. Inventory is low in many areas, especially in hot neighborhoods. More buyers plus fewer homes equals higher prices. Interest rates. When rates were ultra low, buyers could afford more house. Now that rates are higher, monthly payments have jumped, making prices feel even more painful. Economic trends, construction costs, labor shortages, inflation, it all affects pricing. And if sellers think prices will keep rising, they'll list high and wait. So, yes, some homes cost more, but the reasons behind it are layered, not just greed or a bubble. Here's something to really think about. I had a client, let's call him Mike, who was hesitant about a home in Elmwood Park back in 2019. It was listed for 310,000. He said, "That's too high, no way, it's not worth it." We ran comps, looked at condition, updates, location, and I showed him the long-term trend. He passed. Fast forward to 2023, that same home resold for 410,000 with no major upgrades. The too high price wasn't overpriced. It was actually under the market trajectory. Perspective matters. Comparing today's price to what the house sold for 5 years ago isn't the same as comparing it to current market value or replacement cost. Home values aren't frozen in time, they move with the market. So, is a home price too high? Maybe, but maybe not. The key is understanding the why behind the number. Look at the comps, look at trends, condition, and long term value, not just sticker shock. What do you think? Is the market overpriced or just evolving? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more insights into pricing, negotiations, and buyer strategies, check out my other videos: how to tell if you're overpaying for a home. There's all kinds on there, but like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on future videos. I hope you found this information helpful. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you back for another video.